Air or TECNO Spark 5 Air or kd6. We need flashing to remove pattern and Google account. First you have to hard reset, and you have to press power key and volume key together. You release power key until you have the robot. Then you repeat the process, press power and volume up. Use the volume down to scroll. You use power key to select wipe data. Scroll down, factory reset. There you go, the pattern is gone. Then you have to reboot your phone. Oh yes, Spark 5 Air. If it takes long before it finishes the process, you can just long press power key to restart your phone, and that will help save time. Yes, like that. Yes, there you go. The best method to go around this is the language method, and you're going to use the Hindu language, the sixth from the bottom. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then next, skip the SIM card there. Then you have to make sure your Wi-Fi or hotspot is working. It should appear somewhere here. If it doesn't appear, then you have to touch the global icon once to change language to English on the keyboard. Then press your password. If your Wi-Fi is encrypted, and there you go. You don't have to go further than that. Add Wi-Fi, then long press the space bar. Now this one you have to follow the process because I don't understand the language, but of importance is finishing. Then you count 1 2 3 4. Then use the three dots at the top right. You gotta be patient with this one. It should give you a menu about deleting or disabling apps. There is a method you can use, the share one, but it is quite long one. So go to application settings. You'll have the apps. Use the YouTube is at the bottom, the second from the bottom. The notification is the first option. Then you go to additional settings on the bottom. Then you go about. Sorry about that. About YouTube terms of service is the third one from the top. Then you have access to Chrome. It is the best way around it. You will thank me later for using Chrome because you can easily access downloads of the APKs that you download. The best website you can have to go around it is VN ROM. Just that, search. Use the first website at the top. Here you have to download 2 APKs, just 2. The first one has to be block the notification. You don't need the notification. FRP_VN ROM. That one is the first one you need. You cancel. You'll have the option to say OK. You'll press the back button. It's 28 megabytes. Press back. Then you go again to the same website and look for Apex launcher. Download to. If you want to access the downloads, go at the top, then downloads. With a good working Wi-Fi, you see the FRP in ROM is already, and Apex is ongoing. So you start with give permission. Okay. Install. Please do not launch this APK. Just install. After that you can cancel. Then Apex launcher. This one you have to install and launch it. Open it. Sierra Cross. There you go. Tick. Next. Back to cancel. Home screen. Wait for the free trial. Use the free trial. Back to cancel. Go to settings. That is the menu. Settings. You have to change language to a language that you will best understand. You go to set system, then Gboard, change language, add a language you best understand. For my case is English. Then you delete the old one, so you use the three dots at the top, select that one, say delete. You delete, then you have your language of choice remaining alone. You go back again. For avoidance of doubt, you can confirm the type of phone. No, it's not there. The type of phone it is TECNO KF6i. Then you go to security. You have to activate the device admin apps, and the device admin app is there. You activate, then you go back, go to screen pinning, turn it on, and lock the device with unpinning. Use the pattern method, is the easiest. Put a password, pattern of your choice. Repeat. Close up. Confirm. Skip that one. You can go back. From there, all you should do is replace power key. And restart your phone. There you go. It will ask you for the pattern that you bought. And there you go. You go back to the start menu. And then this one is just like drinking water. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube page. It's Disotronics. Diso, DISO _Tronics. You'll love this. I know you'll like it. You will share. You'll subscribe. You'll tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's grow this channel together. Don't copy. Yes, you don't have to use your Google account. You don't have to risk your accounts. Look at how easy that is. You gotta love it. Skip. More. What else would you need in this world? We are through. The only thing remaining is you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ah, yes. Whatever your local time is, have a good morning, have a good evening, have a good night, have a good day. Whenever you're watching this video, whatever time you are catered, you are loved, subscribe. If this happens, you just have to close. And this one, what do you have to use? Lock screen on your setup. Next, start. Look at it. Use HOS. Yes, always. There you have it. Your phone is ready to use. If this one persists, you just have to go to settings, go to apps and notification, look for the Apex launcher and install it. Then you should go. That is sorted.